Assalamualaikum and good morning. So for today, we will learn chapter 6, angles and tangents of circle. Okay, welcome to the class. Okay, so for today's lesson, we just want to recognize and describe cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, so what is cyclic quadrilaterals? Quadrilateral in a circle where all four vertices lie on the circumference. Okay, as you can see here, okay, there is P, okay, P, we have Q, R, and S, and all vertices are lie on the circumference. Okay, and as you can see that P and R, okay, is opposite to each other. Okay, so this one is opposite. Okay, P is opposite to R. Okay, to angle R here, and Q and S here. Okay, Q is opposite to S. Okay, so angle Q is opposite to angle S. Okay. Okay, so cyclic quadrilaterals, okay, the sum of opposite interior angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Okay, which is this one. X and Y is opposite to each other, so angle X plus angle Y is equals to 180 degrees. And angle P plus angle Q is equals to 180 degree. Okay, as you can see here, P and Q is opposite to each other, and the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. And as you can see that the total, okay, the total interior angle, okay, of cyclic quadrilaterals is equals to 360 degree. Okay, so this is basically is for cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, so now we move on to example here. Okay, the diagram shows circle with center O. Okay, calculate the value of X. Okay, you want to find X here. Okay, so as you can see here, this one, okay, this is the cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, as you can see, there is four vertices here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can use the opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite here. And the total angle here is 180 degree. Okay, so 50 degree plus 60 degree plus 40 degree plus X is equals to 180. Okay, so you total this one is equals to 150 plus X is equals to 180 degree. So X, okay, we want to minus. Okay, then X is equals to 30 degree. Okay, so this one is for A, and now is for B here. Okay, B, you want to find X here. Okay, for the question B here, okay, first, as you can see, this one is also the same. We have four vertices, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 vertices, so you can use the cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, so the opposite one here is actually at this angle. Okay, this opposite. Okay, so if you want to find this angle, 180 minus 140, so you will get 40 degree. Okay, this is the 40 degree. Okay, so now we want to find X here. As you can see, this is a straight line, so you can find angle beside 40 here. Okay, so we want to find the angle here. Okay, so this one will be 180 minus 40, so you will get 140. Okay, so this is 140. Okay, this is 140 here. Okay, next you want to find x. As you can see, this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, so x is equals to 180 minus 140, so it's equals to 40 degree, and then divide by 2. Okay, because of the isosceles triangle, so you will get x is equals to 20 degree. Okay. Okay, so next. Okay, the relationship between the exterior angle with corresponding opposite interior angle. Okay, as you can see here, okay, there is a straight line. Okay, you must have a straight line here. Okay, first you have a cyclic quadrilaterals. Okay, so the cyclic quadrilaterals means that 4 vertices lie on the circumference. So you have Q, you have R, okay, you have S here, and you have P here. Okay, P, Q, R, S. Okay, you have 4 vertices. Okay, and then you can see at Q here, there is a straight line, and also at S here is a straight line. Okay, straight line here. And the relationship here is that, okay, the angle of M here is actually equals to Y. Okay, so angle of M is equals to angle of Y. Okay, while this one S, okay, S here, this is the angle of Z is actually equals to angle of N. Z is the exterior. Okay, N is the interior angle. Okay, okay. So for this one is angle Z is equals to angle N. Okay, so let's say M here is 65 degree. So we know that Y also 65 degree. So that one is the relationship between the exterior angle with the corresponding opposite interior angle. Okay. Okay, so example here, the diagram on the right shows a cyclic quadrilateral PQRT and a straight line TRS. Okay, so PQRT, so you can see here PQRT. Okay, so it means that we can use the cyclic quadrilateral, and a straight line of TRS. So this one also, okay, a straight line here, TRS. Okay, I'm showing this one only. Okay, the sides PT and QR are parallel. Okay, so they parallel. So given that PRQ is equals to 54 degree and QRS is equals to 92 degree, calculate the value of X. So now you need to find X. Okay, so this one, how to solve this one? Okay, the first one, see that the question gives that parallel. Okay, so we have parallel line here. Okay, you have two parallel lines. Okay, and we have this one is a transversal line. Okay, okay, so you can see that this one is the Z here. Okay, because you have two parallel line here, and then there is a line here. Okay, so you can use Z here. So the vertices here, this one is a 54, which means that inside here is 54. Okay, and this one we call it as alternate angles. Okay, so alternate angles, so this one is 54, and then by using the relationship of the exterior and the corresponding interior, okay, so we know that this 92 okay, this is 92 is actually equals to angle at P. Okay, so this 92 is actually equals angle at P here. Okay, so x plus 54 degree is equals to 92. Okay, so you want to find x, right? Okay, so 92 minus 54. And the answer is 38 degree. Okay, so easy. So you just use the relationship. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, and we will see you in the next class.